Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another ENHYPEN reaction video, guys. Yes, ENHYPEN members Heeseung and Jake has collaborated with the artists Flo Rida and Paul Russell for the song Confessions. So the original song is by Flo Rida featuring Heeseung and Jake from ENHYPEN and also Paul Russell. So this is a new one, this is a new collaboration, new combo, so I'm really excited to check them out. So without wasting any more time, let's go check it out. So yeah, grab my headphone, let me bring it up to the full screen. Okay, ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
I got confessions to make. My eyes are on your body. Oh, I just can't look away. You got to tell me your name. I know you with somebody, but I wanna make some mistakes. I got confessions to make.
Whoa, just spark it likes the flame. I might just spill a tea if you like a take beat. My little Holly Quinn, I'd rather die for me. If you play your cards right, I might make you my ace. Got the moves like Jagger, let me match your pace. 1, 2 step and then slide your way. If you could be my bunny, I'll be Clyde today. And tonight I want a slice of a piece of that cake. Get down, or get laid down. It's a showdown. Make your move, giddy up, get down, or get laid down. Spin me right round, shake the whole city up. You got dirty secrets, I know I do too. Let me put these dirty secrets right on you, baby.
I got confessions
Wow.
to make. My eyes are on your body. Oh, I just can't look away. You got to tell me your name. I know you're with somebody, but I wanna make some mistakes. I got confessions to make.
Wow, I love the whistle.
I got confessions to make. I got confessions to make.
Just saying what's true. Your boyfriend cool when you keep him on mute. Your friend said you been trying to cut the man loose. If you need a little help, don't mind if I do.
Baby, the way I got my
Wow.
eyes on you, I keep it 100. If I'm on your mind, it'll up. You could put me on the schedule too. You've got dirty secrets, I know I do too. Let me put these dirty secrets right on you, baby. I got confessions to make. My eyes are on your body. Oh, I just can't look away. You got to tell me your name. I know you're with somebody, but I wanna make some mistakes. I got confessions to make. I got confessions to make. I got confessions to make.
Wow. So that was Confessions by Flo Rida featuring Heeseung and Jake from ENHYPEN and also Paul Russell. Oh my goodness, I really like the song. I really like the vibe of it. I really like the beat of the song as well. Melody was very smooth. I especially like the whistle in the song, like the way that whistling was included. I really like that. Heeseung and Jake did an amazing job with Paul and Flo Rida because their vocals blended so well together, and it just really nice to hear their vocals together as well. It was a really good featuring. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please go thumbs up, do share, do comment, please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to connect with me more, you guys can check out my social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Those are linked in the description. And I'll see you next video. Bye.